And imagine having sculpted arms this summer without exercise or going under the knife. An inside look at this brand new treatment when we return.
So go with me to this place right now. Imagine having skinny, sculpted arms without having to exercise or go under the knife. What? Seriously? Here to talk about this with us this morning is Dr. Billy Groff from Cosmetic Laser Dermatology. You're going to tell us a little bit about CoolSculpt, as it's called, right?
Yeah,
tell me about
yes.
this, if you would.
The technology has been around for about 5 years, and we've been using it for the past 5 years on abdomens, on flanks, and we know it works. In general, with one treatment, you get about a 20 to 25% reduction in the thickness of the fat layer. So recently, the company came out with this special handpiece to use on the back of the arm. Now, it took a special handpiece because this is a very unique and thin area. So the prior handpieces they had were too large to use on the arm. So it's very exciting that we have this new technology.
And we have a picture to show. We're going to go ahead and pull that up because people can use this if they have embarrassing scars that they're worried about, right?
Well, this is an example of someone who had what's called a brachioplasty, which is a surgical procedure to remove fat from the arm. Now, obviously, it leaves a very nasty scar. The advantage of the CoolSculpting machine is there's no downtime, there's no surgery, there's no pain. In fact, you can go to the gym the same day you have the treatment.
Really?
Yes. So what you can expect with one treatment, again, is about a 25% reduction in the thickness of the fat layer.
And how long is that going to last?
Actually, a new study just came out. They looked at 5 years worth of data from the company, and it appears to be permanent, which makes sense because when the cold application is applied to the arm, it actually damages the fat cells. The fat cells are destroyed, and the body excretes them. So they're permanently gone.
Interesting. Okay, we have an animation to show of the process where the fat cells are actually freezing. Tell us, if you would, a little bit about
here's the fat cells, we'll say, in the arm, for example. What happens is the machine brings the temperature of the fat cells down to close to freezing. That cold temperature destroys the fat cells. They shrivel up, die, and the body reabsorbs them and excretes them.
Interesting. Okay,
Yeah.
Let's show our patient again. And tell us, if you would, why did you want to get this done?
These are areas that I have a hard time getting rid of
A lot
when I
of
work
women
out.
do, yeah.
So it's kind of unattractive to have that kind of showing. So this is a quick, easy method to get
What
rid
are
of
you
it.
feeling right now? How cold is it?
Well, we're gonna hook her up right now, actually.
Okay,
so
let's do it.
we can do it live. So here goes the application. It's gonna suck her skin and fat into this cup. And then the cup is gonna bring the temperature of the skin and fat down to close to freezing, and it'll stay like that for about an hour, and that's what destroys the fat cells. It's pretty amazing. So what do you feel right now?
Just a tug, and a little bit of coolness, but no pain.
No pain?
No, it's not uncomfortable at all.
Okay. And this is the first time that you've had this done on your arms?
Yes, yes it is.
Okay, very good. What are you hearing from patients that want to try this?
Well, patients love it because the only other options really are surgery, which, as we demonstrated, leaves a very bad scar.
Right.
Which can be improved, but that incurs extra costs and extra time. The only other option is liposuction, which is a reasonable option. But again, there's downtime. You can't work out for a few weeks. There's a lot of swelling. There's risk of infection. There's really no risk with this procedure, no downtime. Go right back to the gym.
And what are we talking about as far as price goes?
That's a great question. This procedure is about $1,200 to $1,500 for both arms. If you compare that to plastic surgery, surgery on the arms would be about $7,000 or $8,000. Liposuction on the arms would be about $3,000 to $5,000.
And you're saying some women can just do this once and have the results?
Some women can do it once. Some will repeat the treatment in maybe 3 months if they want to see further improvement.
It just depends.
It depends on the patient.
I understand we have another picture to show of the typical results
Yes.
that most women can see if they're having this done. I'm not sure if we have it, but anyway, they can see it on our website. We're going to put it on our website.
Perfect.
But,
yeah, we have some nice before and after photos.
and people are seeing results pretty soon?
Usually you start to see the results in about 4 weeks, and you see the maximum effect in about 3 months.
Okay, let's get one more shot of the CoolSculpt in action right now. And still no pain. You're
pain.
still okay, because I
No.
can't be doing pain now.
Nope,
Can't
no
be
pain.
having All right, Dr. Groff, thank you so much. If
You're
you'd
welcome.
like to get in touch with Dr. Groff at Cosmetic Laser Dermatology, they're located in the UTC area. The information is up on your screen right now. We've also got more information in that before and after picture on our website, Fox 5 sandiego.com. Raul, aren't you curious? Don't you want to just kind of put your arm in there just for a second just to see?
That's fascinating stuff. All right, Erica, thank you.